Video, I would like to cover another personality type ESFJ, extraversion, sensing, feeling and judgment. If you are not able to understand what exactly the extraversion, sensing, feeling and judgment, I have another video in the same series, personality categories, where I explain all four types of personality categories. So ESFJ, the personality type, they focus on outside the world and assess their experience subjectively. They large base their judgment on their belief system and on effect of actions on people. They are literal and concrete, trusting the specific and factual information gathered through their psychological senses. They project warmth through the genuine interest in the well being of others. They are often skilled at bringing out the best in people. They want to understand other point of view. They are serious about their responsibilities, seeing what needs to be done and then doing it. Generally proficient at detailed tasks, they enjoy doing little things that make life easier for others. They value tradition and security it offers. So they easily hurt and they take pleasure in other people's happiness. They give generous but accept appreciation in return. Sensitive to the physical needs of others, they respond of offering practical care. As expert people readers, they often adapt their manners to meet their expectation of others. However, so they may have difficulty recognizing shortcomings of loved ones. They tend to be vocal in expressing their senses of right and wrong. Their judgment in regard to external world are often based on interpersonal ethics with attention to social and give and take. Compared to their ENFJ counterparts, ESFJ's values tend to be based on more on those their social group than the independent internal set of ethics. They raised in an environment of high ethical standards tend to display true generosity and kindness. However, those who grow up surrounded by skewed set of values may develop a false sense of integrity and use their people skills to self-try manipulate others, particularly if their intuition is poorly developed and leaving them unable to foresee the consequences of their actions. They seek structured, controlled environment and tend to be good at creating sense of order. They generally feel insecure in atmosphere of uncertainty. They value the rule of law and rules and expect the same of others. They may be less interested understanding the concept behind the rules, tending to shy away from abstract and impersonal. Coming to their strengths, they're strong at practical skills, strong at sense of duty, and very loyal and sensitive and warm, good at connecting with others. Now coming to their weaknesses, they're worried about their social status, inflexible and reluctant to innovate or improvise, and they are vulnerable to criticizing and often too needy and too selfish. So these are the characteristics, behaviors and strengths, weakness of ESFJ personality type.